Now in existence for over 34 years and claiming to have reached over 18 million young people, Sports World Ministries is a non-profit organization that uses professional athletes to mentor students and encourage positive choices.
The fact that I came from the sports world, I was a former NFL football player, played with Indianapolis Colts, I played with the Arizona Cardinals. I know how important sports is in life. And so I believe bringing Sports World here to the island to be able to minister to the young people. And there's more for liberty here to share the gospel of Jesus Christ, which is very always so much inviting and exciting. And to be able to share with the young people how important sports is.
He says that their focus is to remind the students that you are not born a winner or a loser, but you are born a chooser.
We're fortunate that we go back to some of the same areas. And we have a follow-up program in respect. We have them fill out cards, and on the cards we get our responses. And this is critical because it's the young people sharing with us. And what we find out is if you expose yourself, share with them your weaknesses, they in turn will share with you their weaknesses. And so we have chronicled a situation in which suicide has been averted.
McDonald says that the organization is also big on encouraging education.
A lot of times I get the response back, Mr. McDonald, but a lot of millionaires who didn't graduate from college. Well, I said, well, in America, we play the lottery. People play lottery. And we had a big Powerball, 560 million. Only 3 people won it. How many people played it? How many people won it? Now, you going to be a millionaire and not get an education is like you winning possibility of winning the Powerball. Very few people. Some might, but you don't want to be that one. So we encourage education on that term.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Gina Seeley.